doing well, and happy Friday. We made it through another week. It's awesome. And I also have some good news for you. So the good news is, if you've been on my Facebook page, you know that I have been waiting on our new Clinical Solution products, and I'm so excited that they are here. They just got launched this week, and I just got mine yesterday. So super excited about that. What this is Retinol 0.5 and a Calm Restore facial milk that we're gonna mix with the retinol at first to help our skin accept the retinol and not to get inflamed. And then we're gonna use it later on just to help soothe out our skin and calm any redness or any irritation. So this is gonna be, I've heard this is super great. I haven't tried it yet, but I heard it's amazing. So this is Mary Kay's first time to do a dermocosmetic product, and we're so excited to be in that market right now. So this would be a product that you would find like in a dermatologist's office that you don't need a prescription for, or like in a med spa. What is retinol? So we hear that word all the time, and I was doing some research and I just really want to read it to you because I want to get it accurate and give you the right information. First of all, retinol is a derivative of vitamin A, and our body gets vitamin A from the foods that we eat, like fish and poultry, egg yolks, dairy products. And so vitamin A is considered critical for healthy cell development. Now, when we use vitamin A as a topical, like in retinol, it's considered the gold standard of skincare ingredients by dermatologists for preventing signs of aging and reversing visible signs of aging. It's a great product that's been around for a long time, and it really does work if you use it in the right way. So topical applications of retinol can actually help to improve skin structural integrity by supporting natural production of collagen and elastin, and it also improves cell turnover. These are some amazing products, and if you've seen the before and after pictures on my Facebook page, you can see that it really has done some amazing things for like fine lines and wrinkles, for luminosity on your skin. I think you're really gonna see a difference in your skin. So there's two things that you really need to know about our Clinical Solutions product. One is that in every box comes this pamphlet that tells you all about the retinol and the calming milk. But on the back, it gives you a plan of how to use it on your face. And we want you to use it in the most beneficial and safe way possible. So the plan kind of goes like this, just real quickly, is on weeks 1 and 2, you use it at night and you use it 1 time per week. And the first 2 weeks, you're just gonna do a pea-size amount of retinol. You're gonna mix it with the calming milk, and then you're gonna put it on your face, always avoiding your eye area. Do not put it on your eye area. So if you're using an eye cream, do your eye cream first, your retinol second, okay? After you cleanse your face, of course. So weeks 3 and 4, you're actually gonna put the retinol on your face, only 1 time per week, on your face, and then you're gonna put the calming milk over top of that. Weeks 5 and 6, you're gonna do it 2 times a week. And weeks 7 and 8, you're gonna do it anywhere from 3 to 5 times a week, depending on how your skin is doing with the retinol. Also, with this, we have a Facebook group that you could be a part of if you want, and it's gonna be all different types of people doing this process with you. So it's gonna be a great place to ask questions and to just get special tips that you need to make this a success. The second thing I really want to emphasize is these products have been tested by Mary Kay with our products. So with our cleansers and our moisturizers. So if you are already on a skincare system with Mary Kay and it's working well for you, then you're ready to go. You're ready to start. If you are not on a cleanser or moisturizer that is from Mary Kay, we need to do that first, because these products have only been tested with our products. They have not, there's no way to test these with every other product on the market. And so to have the best success and to not have irritated skin, you really need to do it with a Mary Kay cleanser and moisturizer at least, okay? So that's the way you're gonna be able to do it the most safely, okay? So those are the things I wanted you to know about this, and I'm so excited to start trying this weekend. And if you would like to be on a test panel with us and try it, we are meeting tomorrow afternoon, Saturday afternoon at 3 o'clock at La Madelines. And you will be able to see it, to ask questions, to feel it. And so you are more than welcome to come and try it out. If you're not on a cleanser or moisturizer yet, we have a skin analyzer app that will just take a picture of your skin and it will recommend what cleanser is best for you. So it's super fast. You don't have to put a bunch of stuff on your face and try it. We'll just be able to tell with that app. If you would like to be a part of that test panel, please let me know, just so I know that we have enough products for you to look at and to try, and we know how many people are coming. Hopefully I'll see you tomorrow at 3 at La Madelines on Market Street if you live in the area. All right, well, I hope you have a fantastic weekend, and if you have any questions about this, please just let me know. All right, have a great day.